This is it, the last day of filming. It still seems a bit surreal. The morning began with one of the prettiest sunrises that I can remember. I was told that the moving trucks were going to arrive around 2 p.m., so I want to fly to get as much as I can in the air. I still can't believe I'm done. For the last 9 months, I spent so much time over this house trying to document everything I could. Of course, I missed a few things, but I knew that when I began, it was going to be a very large commitment. I used 3 batteries this morning and tried to capture some of the shots that I could incorporate with my existing shots. As I flew, I was remembering the artistry and creativity of building such a beautiful home. I could not imagine how the new home could be constructed as the home was torn down. There were times when I didn't fly for what seemed like long periods of time to days that were filled with 12 hours of flight. Having flown over 500 missions, I got to experience a number of issues, from making sure that all my batteries were charged to dealing with wind and rain. I even had 2 temporary flight restrictions, from a football game to a presidential visit. I'm going to miss the constant flying and filming. Every day presented new challenges and opportunities to capture events. Well, I learned a lot about filming and flying. This was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to gain some valuable knowledge on commercial, aerial, unmanned vehicles. And this being my last set of flights, I didn't want to do something dumb like hit the house. I'm truly blessed for this opportunity, and I hope that I can present the material with the justice it deserves.